Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Faith to Fork, where I not only try to give you some delicious, easy, low-carb recipes, but also some encouragement. How many of y'all have jumped off the wagon once or twice? Can I tell y'all, I have jumped off the wagon, I have fell under it, and it rolled right over me more than a couple of times. I just want to encourage you today, if that's you, that today is a brand new day. Take it one day at a time. Just because you blew it yesterday doesn't mean you can't start over today. If you blow it today, you can still start over with your very next meal. Take it a day at a time. Ask the Lord to help you to be more mindful of what you eat. I have found that when I actually pray about it, I am way more conscientious about what I am putting in my mouth. So today, I'm going to whip up something low carb and easy. Who doesn't like easy, right? If y'all would, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. So I've been seeing this viral recipe going around social media for the 3-ingredient chicken nuggets. Let me know in the comments if y'all have made these. The main ingredient was, of course, chicken. However, it was canned chicken. A lot of people did not like the fact that it was canned and therefore very processed. So I decided to recreate this recipe using some chicken breasts that I have boiled and shredded. So let's see how these turn out. The ingredients that you're going to need for this recipe are 1 pound or about 2 cups of cooked shredded chicken. I used breast, but you can use thighs or whatever you want. 2 eggs slightly beaten and 1 cup of mozzarella. I put them in my air fryer at 360 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. Okay, so the first thing that I do is I fill up a very large, like 6-quart pot of water, about 3/4 to maybe just a little more than halfway full water. Next, I let it come to a boil. And then I proceed to add my chicken breast. Now, because the chicken breast is part of my prepping routine, I went ahead and boiled about 3 pounds. I will probably only use about 1 pound in this recipe that I'm going to attempt today. Let me know in the comments if you guys food prep. What kind of food do you prep? What day do y'all do your prepping? I know a lot of people do it on Sunday as that is the first day of the week. I'm really not together on Sunday, and I have other things going on with the family and church and stuff, so I usually do mine on Monday. But let me know, when do you do yours? Okay, so I'm going to let it boil on medium to high heat for probably about 20 minutes or until the chicken is no longer pink. You want to be really careful not to let it boil too long or your chicken will be very dry and tough. After the chicken is boiled, I remove it from the hot water to a baking sheet or whatever, just some kind of pan, so that it will allow it to cool. After it cools just a bit, I can shred it. Measure out 2 cups of chicken. Then I pour the shredded chicken into a food processor. I crack my 2 eggs into a glass bowl and I whisk them slightly. Add the eggs to the food processor and then add your 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. I added Cajun seasoning. You can season as you like. I know some people put a barbecue seasoning in it or just salt and pepper. Onion flakes also, whatever you want. Mix until all ingredients are well incorporated. Now at this point, I go ahead and I preheat my air fryer. Some air fryers don't need preheating, but if you need to, I set mine on 360 degrees and let it preheat. Next, I shape my chicken mixture into nuggets. I would say this is about 1.5 to 2 tablespoons per nugget. You can make your nuggets whatever size you want and shape them however you want to shape them. You could even do a fun shape for kids if you wanted to. I slightly greased my air fryer pans with avocado oil. After I have filled my pan with all of the nuggets, I place it in the air fryer that is set on 360 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes, depending on your air fryer. Mine only took 12 minutes. I turned the nuggets halfway through. And here they are. These are delicious and easy. I made a double batch so my family can have them throughout the week. I served them with cauliflower hash browns. I will be doing a video on that as well. Guys, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and share this video with your friends.